Hello children, today we are going to learn how to frame sentences with the word this. TH, the, is. Join them together and you get this. Now, this is used for objects that are very close to us, that we can touch also, and those are very near to us. Now, what is this? What do you see in this picture? Now this van is very close. So what will we use? How will we frame the sentence? This is a van. Let's look at the next picture. What is this? This is a hat. Next picture. What is this? This is a jug. Let's look at the next picture. What is this? This is a tub. Next picture, how will we frame this sentence? What is this? This is a bin. I'm sure you can recognize all the pictures by now. We have done these pictures and all the vowel sounds. You can spell out the words and write these sentences easily. What is this? This is a kit. Kit. And what sentence will you frame for this one? This is a net. Net. This is a pen. Pen. What is this? This is a pot. A flower pot. So this is a pot. Next picture. What is this? This is a box. Box. What do you see in this one? What is this? This is a shed. It's a cow shed. Now let's see how we will write these sentences in the notebook. So on the left hand side we have a picture. What is this picture? It's a picture of a mat. So how do we begin? TH, the is this is a at a mat. What will you write over there on the blank? It's at a mat. Let's look at the second picture. What is this? This is also very close to the sentence that we are writing. So this is a peg. We'll write peg there and a full stop. You can see the sentence starts with a capital and ends in a full stop. So like this children, you can keep revising and keep practicing. Thank you.